We'll have it, right? Because it's up for sale.
Yep. Yeah. Hopefully, it will still continue to be around racetracks.
Yeah, that's the intent, right?
Yeah.
What can you tell me about the engine, Jim? Is it still 164 cubic inch? Is it
Plus 40,000.
40,000s? Okay. So what do you think it's producing for horsepower?
Between 220 to 230.
Okay, so it's got a pretty hot cam in it then. Pretty hot cam.
And this engine is good. I mean, I guess even though I built the motor, it's the best engine out there. I mean, I can outrun any other Corvette race car on the racetrack.
How long has it been together? How many hours it got on it?
That motor, I ran the media challenge at Road Atlanta 2 months ago. That was the first race on this motor.
Okay.
So it's got one vintage race weekend.
So probably what, hour and a half on it?
Oh, it's got, well, let's see, yeah, hour and a half, yeah.
Hour and a half. Yeah.
And that's going fast enough to outrun Mustangs, outrun half the 911s on the track. Lots of other cars that...
Is it 355, 389?
355.
355,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Well, are you going to miss it? Because somebody will buy it, right? It's just a matter of money.
Yeah.
How much do you want for it?
He's asking 129,
129.
and he'll get probably pretty close to that.
Oh well, you won't be buying this car.
I'm not buying. That's why I'm taking pictures of it.
Right. Well, that way you can show it, the pictures, to somebody else.
There you go. Publicity is good,
That's
right? Publicity is good.
Anybody who's interested in Yenko sports cars.
Yeah. Yep. What number is it?
Number 95.
95. Is it original or a rebody?
All original.
All original. So it is one of the first 100.
Yep.
Okay. That makes it worth a lot right there.
Well, that means it's the real McCoy.
It's the real McCoy.
Those tags have never been moved.
Mm-hmm.
It's got the original body with the hidden number on it. It's the only racing Corvair today that has not been rebodied.
I believe that.
All the other singers have been rebodied.
Yeah. So can you open the door and show me the tag? Is that okay? Can I do that? Okay.
No,
Where is it? In the front, right? Okay, so anyway, there is the tag right there, YS095. That was put on in Cannonsburg, Pennsylvania in 1966. Sound about right?
in December.
Yep, 1966.
December of 65.
December of 65.
That's what it was.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm sorry to see you letting go of it. It's been in good hands for a long time.
Well,
How long have you owned it?
this race car I've only owned since 2006.
Okay.
My first Stinger that I raced, I started racing it in 1970.
Okay.
And I raced it for 8 years.
How old are you?
I'm 74.
74. Okay.
So I quit racing for a long time
Mm-hmm.
before I couldn't stand it and had to go back.
Yeah, you know, some people just can't stay away, Jim.
Yeah.
You know?
It just gets in your blood.
Yeah, it does.
But,
Yeah.
But I remembered how to build the car and how to build the engine.
Mm-hmm.
And nobody in Corvairs today is going faster at Road Atlanta than I did in the 70s when I was chasing an SCCA national championship.
Yep.
And that's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't understand it.
Well, it's a
Even
good car.
Even I can't get go that fast. But that's because I'm not 25 anymore.
I know. I'm not 25 either. No. No. So have you had any interest in the car yet? I mean, I know as people can talk, right?
Yeah.
They talk.
Lots of talk, but nobody's tried to cut a deal yet.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
But today is the first day it's ever had any exposure.
Okay.
I haven't tried to sell it before today.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I intend to try to sell it in various places. Run some ads, who knows?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe, who knows, I might even put it in an auction.
Yeah, an auction, it may not do too bad in an auction.
Yeah,
You know, cars are going for good money nowadays.
Yeah.
It's a good time to be selling.
Yeah.
It's not a good time to be buying, in my opinion.
yeah, seems that way.
Yeah, it does seem that way. I remember used to be able to buy a Yenko for $10,000-$15,000, and they were out there. They were rebodied, but they were out there. And now they're serious money. If this is an investment, you've done quite well with your investment.
And, well, like I said, I've only owned it. I bought it as a race car.
Mm-hmm.
In 16.
Right.
And so I'm pretty deep into it.
I understand. I understand. It's not, if you're going to go racing, you can't be on a real shoestring budget.
No.
You got to spend money to go fast. Yeah.
So I bought this car. It was the fastest Stinger going when I bought it. I took it to the 50th anniversary at Road America, where there were 16 or 17 Stingers. But no, mostly Stingers, but some Corvairs also. But they were all race cars. I won the race, the all Corvair race. I won. I set the fastest lap of the whole weekend in this car.
Well, this car is set up right.
And I've improved it since then a bunch. I'd love to go back to Road America again. That's where I'm
Well,
at.
then you got to take the car down off a sale if you and then you got to pay that fee, right? It's expensive to go do that stuff.
Yeah.
You know, it's gotten expensive. It sure has. Well, anyway, I want to thank you very much for telling me about your car, Jim. I really appreciate it, and I wish you well whichever way you go. You know, you know, somebody will get a nice car.
Even under the hood.
Okay, sure. Let's take a look at it. Heck yeah, why not? Okay. And there's a fuel cell. Oil cooler at your scoop, right?
The air duct.
And all of this is mandated, the safety equipment now, right? Back in 1970, that was not, you just carried a fire extinguisher, right? Yeah. Yeah. And then this is for brake cooling,
Yes.
okay? Brake cooling. Fuel pump,
Fuel pumps.
okay? Add, and then there's some kind of a bleeder tube that goes somewhere, right? This the bleeder tube?
That's the way to go.
Okay.
And
And then you got a clutch, and then
and dual brakes.
and dual brakes.
And all that's a Tilton racing pedal assembly.
Okay.
Is all inside the car.
Yeah. Was all of this put in when you bought the car? Was
Yes,
all
it
of the bars in?
Yeah, that was
Okay.
done already.
Boy, the car is very well set up.
Oh,
I
yeah.
like. Yeah.
It
That looks very
has a
nice.
hand-built front suspension. It has adjustable shocks with coil over shocks on off the car. Corvette brakes.
Yeah, man, that's a sweet car.
Yeah.
Yep.
Jim, Pittsburgh.
You need help or you got it?
Just grab my car.
As usual.
You want to leave it undone? Okay.
I like showing it off.
Yeah, I do. I like that you like to show it off.
All the front suspension is tubular, hand-built race car stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, this car is so much fun to drive. It does everything it's supposed to do.
Mm-hmm.
And no surprises.
Yeah.
It just goes where you point it, stops on a dime.
Yep.
I mean, it just,
Yeah, they got
I could run
they're good, dude.
I could run a 20-minute race. It's just pure joy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Well, be thankful that you got to do it again,
Yeah,
right? In '06, you started doing it again,
yeah, right.
right?
I did.
Yeah, that's good.
Radar.
Well, thank you, Jim. I really appreciate your time. Yep.